Welcome to the Built by Rich channel. Check out the video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get it. All right, about halfway there. Probably need another good half day to a day to finish everything up. Yeah. But check this out. I freaking hate thieves. They freaking stole my neighbor's catalytic converter. They just cut it off. Man, hate thieves. Anyways, gotta get this thing done so I can put it back in the garage, and hopefully they don't touch it. All right, I'm gonna probably call it a day. It's starting to get cloudy again. Plus, it's getting kind of late, and I still got shit to do. So I'm gonna finish this up hopefully tomorrow or this weekend, and hopefully it's running. Cool. basically just adjust the V-band clamp on the passenger side. Other than that, she idles really good. No smoke, no leak. So hopefully she's good to go. Now I need to clean up all my mess in here so that way I can get the car back in. But I'm gonna let her idle for a while, try to bleed the coolant and get all the air out of there. That way, you know, we don't overheat or anything like that. So I'll do that for a little bit and then she should be good to go. All right, guys.